Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by using what you already know: a username, display name, or an email. Enter that exact text and quotes into search engines and ad site Onlyfans. Comb to narrow results. Once done, scan public bios on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and link in bio pages. Many creators list an OnlyFans URL. Make sure to try common variants and small spelling changes, because creators often shorten or modify names for the platform. Next, focus on deeper matching techniques. Run a reverse image search on any public headshots or banners to find linked accounts, and combine nickname plus city or niche plus OnlyFans in quotes for targeted results. Once you have candidates, inspect profile descriptions, posted links, and cross-posted content to confirm identity. Make sure to respect privacy and rely only on publicly shared information. Avoid paid or intrusive tools that promise secret access. Finally, confirm the account by matching unique content like watermarks, writing style, or recurring photo props. Once done, follow or subscribe through official channels. If you can't find them, clear caches, try different search engines, and wait a day before retrying with alternate spellings or location tags. If access is restricted or the creator prefers privacy, respect that boundary and discontinue the search. Persistence past public information risks harassment and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.